In the piping industry, generating plan views, longitudinal sections, and cross-sections is a daily task. But manual marking of chainages, elevations, and section lines is slow, error-prone, and painful to revise. To solve this problem, we've developed a pipe section automation toolkit. First, load pipe_section.vlx using the upload command. Now let's walk through all 6 time-saving commands, one by one. Tool 1. Automatic chainage and cross-section. Marking along alignment. Here we have a 3D alignment. Our requirement is simple. Chainage text every 20 meters and cross-section lines every 10 meters. Using the draw change command, you just select the alignment, set the elevation precision, scale factor, starting chainage, intervals, marking distance, cross-section length, and text position. And that's it. Chainage lines are created automatically. Text is clean, readable, and perfectly spaced. No overlaps. On top of that, the program exports a CSV file containing serial number, chainage, distance, easting, northing, elevation, and IP name. Drafting plus reporting, done in one step. Tool 2. Chainage marking with coordinate export from Drawing Now. Let's combine drawing and data. We already have a 3D alignment and a CSV file with chainage and remarks. Using the draw_ls command, select the alignment, enter the cross-section line length, and choose the CSV file. The result? Cross-section lines are drawn automatically. Chainage and remarks are placed neatly on both sides, and a new CSV file is generated instantly. No manual coordinate extraction, 0 calculation errors. And Tool 3. Colored line-based longitudinal section. In real projects, multiple colored lines often represent different pipelines or utilities. Manually measuring and labeling them causes text clashes and endless adjustments. With the draw CLS command, you enter text height, chainage precision, starting section number, pick a reference point, and select the colored lines. The output is a clean, professional longitudinal section. Line lengths are placed neatly below. Smart leader lines appear automatically when lines are close. No overlapping text. Fully client-ready drawings. Tool 4. Double band longitudinal section. Now we take it one step further. This tool creates 2 bands in the longitudinal section, one for line length and another for corresponding chainage. The result is a structured, layered LS drawing that's perfect for engineering submissions, reviews, and approvals. Tool 5. Mark distances from alignment to baseline. Sometimes you need to project chainages from an alignment down to a baseline. Using the Mark Change command, select the alignment, set precision, choose multiple alignments if required, define text height, and select the baseline. Projection lines are drawn automatically. Smart spacing logic prevents overlaps. The longitudinal section remains clean and readable. Tool 6. Generate plan and longitudinal section directly from Excel. This is the ultimate automation. Start with an Excel file containing easting, northing, elevation, chainage, and remarks. Save it as a CSV file. Using the lsplan command, enter text height, datum value, and select the CSV file. Instantly, the plan is generated from easting and northing. The longitudinal section is created from elevation and chainage. Remarks are placed automatically. One Excel file, one command, a fully synchronized drawing without manual drafting or recalculation. If these tools can save hours of drafting time in your piping projects, we'd be happy to help you use them. For licensing, customization, or workflow-specific modifications, contact us at cadsuperuser@gmail.com. Watch once, automate forever.